Excuse my dad didn't give me any time to do my video, Goose. Of course it was on purpose. Of course it was on purpose. Because he never gives me time for anything. I don't know why he never gives me time, because it's pretty common for him to never give me time during my video. So good, yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Wait, pay attention to what I'm about to say.
Good.
I'm just talking and I'm out the door. I've been out the door. Oh.
Goose, there's so much cute birdies, Goose. And a bird. Oh, Goose, look at that cute birdie. You guys never see that, Goose. Oh my gosh, Goose. Look at that, Goose. Where's Goose? Goose. There's so many Goose. And the go.
Who don't call? Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters.
Where's the birds? Excuse.
I'm a big dog. I'm a bad boy kicking them out the door. I'm a bad boy kicking them out the door. Out the door.
Excuse. I'm a bad boy.
I'm a bad boy.
I'm a bad boy clicking.
I'm a bad boy kicking.
I'm a bad boy kicking them and out the door.
I'm a bad boy kicking them out the door.
I'm a bad boy kicking them and out the door. Up out the door.
I'm a bad boy kicking them out the door. Up out the door.
Scoot.
I'm a bad boy kicking them out the door. Up out the door.
Scoot.
Excuse me, we've been having our bird feeder here for pretty much a long time, but not for too long. I mean, bird, like how perfect. So cookies. I wanna be this kind of kid and make believe I cookie.
So we wouldn't be talking about the kinds of birdies that can go up here at your bird feeder, Goose. Goose, if you lived in the jungle,
I'm talking to some jungles about the yeah. Felt like ones that they like made up in like some sort of park or something. See?
So Goose, because what we're gonna be doing here is Goose. If your house lived in the woods, Goose, and you put out a bird feeder, Goose, you get so much other kinds of birds, Goose, at your bird feeder. Like, how incredible can that be? And OMG, look how pretty that tree is over there.
It's a big dump.
That's a big dump, pretty tree. Because anybody can think it's a big dump. I think it's a big dump.
Kicking them out the door. Up out the door.
Guys, if you put a bunch of bird feed in your backyard, and your backyard is in the woods, Goose, then you would begin the indigo bunting, the scarlet tanager probably, and also and they got a lot of woodpeckers, Goose, and some still squirrels, and yeah, Goose,
Because also, we're going to be also getting some interactable. Okay, look at that. A bad boy kicking them out the door. Look how pata out the door. Guys, it's so cute, guys. Little house sparrows are perfect. No, that's actually the male goose. That's not the female. That's not the female goose because yeah, I'm not dumb goose because yeah. Because they put those trees there last summer. I can't say last summer without crying because I miss it so much. Last summer. That sparrow's still angry. I missed all those times. Me and my mom used to take walks in the summer. I miss those times ago when I used to enjoy my time alone in summer now again. Oh, he moved a step, got upper, as you can see when I zoom over there. And then there's some starlings and house finches today. Goose here. Because yeah, I was watching TikTokers with their TikTok there, and goes eating breakfast and drinking too. Goose, tuck the titmouse. There it goes. Where'd it go? Look, there it is. Playful tuck the titmouse. Look, he's so fast. Can't even keep up with him, Goose. I looked a different one. That's when he wasn't in that branch anymore, so I had to move to bird feeder because he wasn't. And then I had to move up there. Because he's a pretty hyper birdie goose. Because he, look, that's like a foot away. Geese? I'm okay. You're okay. I'm doing my video. No, I saw a tuck the titmouse. Oh. Tuck the titmouse. Look, he's back. Playful birdie goose. Oh, right when I'm about to zoom in. He always flies away. You just stay still for the camera. You're so cute. I want my face to see you in my video. Come on. I wouldn't be doing that for no reason. My gosh. Excuse. Because hopefully you do this. How am I getting any like all birds in that bird feeder?
Why don't you answer?
Because we've also been getting squirrels out of our feeder too. Because, yeah, I'm gonna let them eat too. Because you know what? Because I don't like some plants that some bird nerds do with their bird feeder. Like, because they scare away blackbirds and like big birds. And like squirrels, they try to scare away them. Because when they do that, that means you'll be scaring away other birds, Goose, that are a problem to your bird feeders. Because I'm not going to do that, Goose. I'm going to let all the animals, little critters out there that want to eat our food, just have a good time, Goose. Like, Goose, it's as simple as that. Like, we don't need to be doing that kind of stuff, Goose. Because, yeah, you're very nice.
Thumbs up.
It's Goose, yeah, Goose, but Goose, that just doesn't make me happy, Goose, to see that. Like, Goose, we should be letting everybody eat, Goose, and having a good time, Goose.
Are you stopping?
Goose. I'm gonna pause the video quick, okay, Goose? Goose, say about Goose.